Hakadosh Bokerosh Shavua Tov. We're just going to continue with Halachot of Birkat Ylanot. First of all, where exactly do we say Birkat Ylanot? So according to the Mekubalim, we have to say Birkat Ylanot outside of the city. There's going to be Ribuy Ylanot, a lot of different types of trees. They're going to be blossoming forth. And the Neshamot, Me'olam Elyon, they're coming, these souls are going around in the orchards and the different places. And therefore, when we come and we pray for them, so therefore they're going to have a Ilui Neshama. However, though it is already brought down, whether it's going to be the Ben Ishchai, Chazon Ovadia, and also the Shuto Letzion, that if it's going to be a problem, whether it's of Bitul Torah, whether it's going to be other problems that it's difficult, so there's no requirement to go outside of the city in order to make this blessing. You could make it inside of the city. Another thing is also until you're getting outside of the city, meaning to make a trip there, it is better to do it as early as possible, and therefore you're not required to come and to do it. The next halakha is going to be actually seeing the trees. Meaning it's not just enough to come and there's a group of people that they saw, and now we say, okay, fine, let's start. Well, you're supposed to come and see the blossoming of the tree, and once you see the blossoming of the tree, now you're going to come and you're going to make the bracha of Birkat Ylanot. Nighttime. So technically speaking, there's no isur of doing it at nighttime. The only reason why we do it during the daytime, and that's the minhag olam, is because obviously you cannot compare the seeing during the daytime to the seeing during the nighttime. And that was minhag Gdolei Yisrael. However, for example, we are now doing Plag HaMincha, Peleg HaMincha. So when we finish Peleg HaMincha, technically it's already nighttime because we prayed Arvit, but it's still completely daytime. It's even before the Shekiah, so therefore there's no problem whatsoever of going right after doing Arvit for us and coming and doing Birkat Ylanot. Because even though Ki'ilu, it's already nighttime, but it's still daytime, you're able to see the trees perfectly without any problem. There's no Yisur mitzad the etzem of night. It's just that it's better to see it during the day instead of night. If you go outside and you could still see it was 100% daylight, so therefore there's no problem of doing Birkat Ylanot even after Arvit in our case. Now, another important halachot is, do you need 2 trees or not? So it is brought down in the shoot, right? He comes and he brings down, this is what was brought down at the beginning of the halakha, that you need 2 different trees. The medayek, that when it says Ylanot, it is plural, and therefore you need 2 trees. However, though, right, when it says there Ilana, one of the diukim is that it says Ilana and not Ilaneh, right, which means that it's singular, and this is actually brought down that the Chazon Ovadia, he was Chazarbo, meaning in Ilchot Berachot, he came and he was Chazarbo because at the beginning he pushed it off and he said that you should need 2 trees, and then afterwards he came and he said that no, that you're allowed to come and you're allowed to even do it with 1 tree, and that's brought down in the Shut Rivot Ephraim and the name of Moshe Feinstein, Hagaon of Shlomo Zalman Auerbach, and of Mazuz, and therefore it's enough even 1 tree in order to come and to make the bracha of Birkat Ylanot. When we're talking about Ylanot that you're making the bracha, it should not be trees which do not bear fruit. It should be trees that do bear fruit because it's le'enot bahem b'nei adam. The lashon of the bracha, the language of the bracha is that people should benefit from it. If it doesn't give off fruit, we do not benefit from it. So therefore, it should be a fruit tree, a fruit-bearing tree. That's when we're supposed to come and we're supposed to make the bracha of Birkat Ylanot. So again, obviously these are a few of the different halachot, and then we continue with Zat Hashem.